That's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful bit of kit here. We've got some raked 5-degree Ultima trees. Okay, these are billet alley, properly CNC machined. These type, the bolts come up through here like normal. Screw down. You've got obviously your riser bushings in. Great thing about this is you can have the hidden stops here. You see this is all machined away, so you can actually have a hidden stop fork system on it. Okay, which we do keep. As I say, this is completely billet CNC, chrome plated steel here. You can see the angle here. Okay, and it's got the old-fashioned stops here if you want to use them, but alternatively you can use the hidden ones here. You can see the race here. This is where it's going to run, which we do. Okay, fantastic quality, very well made. You can see the angle there, to be honest with you. It's a hell of an angle. And if I was to put this up here, for instance, which, excuse the mess, you can really see the angle now. Okay, so when this is on the bike, obviously, your forks are raked out like that. It's a cracking bit of kit. Also got some 65mm Ultima upside down ones as well, 5-degree. If you're interested in the great products, we've got Rick Doss forks, some Allen Ness, bagger trees. You know, if you want to fit a bigger wheel on a bagger, 23, 26, give us a call, 01773835566, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.